Hey viewers!
Delta is here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these trending watermark. First, go to your browser. And search Panzoid. Go to this website. Scroll down and click on More Creations. Here you'll get so many watermarks. Select according to how many letters you have in your name. Now click on the watermark you need. And then click on Open in Clipmaker 2. Click on Objects. Now you have to change the text. Once you're done, click on Download button. And click on Start Video Render. Wait for a few seconds. Click on Download your video. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Delta over and out.